right, hot rods all the way from Australia. Let's look at tonight's program.
Back after a win as Team Redline Salvaging with Hansie Lategan from Royal South Africa behind the wheel. These guys are on fire. And next up is the first time team on Mount Western Raceway, and this is Straight Pipes Racing. They're driving that Hot Wheels Straight Pipes. Good luck, gentlemen.
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Winner! Hansie Lategan from Redline Salvaging in the 68L Camino.
And a late charge from Straight Pipes right into the 68L Camino.
Race 2.
That was a surprise. Rarely do we see them stack on turn 1.
Race 3. Winner! Team Redline Salvaging with Hansie behind the wheel in the 68L Camino.
Hansie Lategan out front by 2.
Race 4. Winner! Hansie Lategan in the 68L Camino.
Man, that was very close over that line. Well, there you go. Redline Salvaging, a 3-zip. Unbelievable. And here's your current leaders board. Hansie Lategan with 2, driving for Redline Salvage Inc. Well, a very interesting race tonight that was. I thought Straight Pipes could have done a bit better. I'm not too sure what happened. Their first time on the track, maybe the nerves, maybe the car wasn't tuned right. You can see some severe blocking here by the 68L Camino. And a very slow run down to the finish line. But hey, a win is a win, and the 68L Camino is a cross. Heading into the next, and Straight Pipes Racing really has the advantage here on the inside. They go down low, but however, their departure just didn't happen. It's a 68L Camino with Hansie behind the wheel. Slides out of that turn 2. He's going to get stuck one day and someone's just going to take him out. Crosses the line, and Straight Pipes Racing, there's something wrong with this car. Heading into the last race for the evening, and this is a fantastic race. Look at Straight Pipes just duck in front of the 68L Camino. He's understanding Mount Western Raceway. He floors it here. He goes up high, which is the correct position to come out of turn 2. Have a look how close this is. There wasn't much in that finish, let me tell you. Well, Straight Pipes Racing, thanks for racing. We'll see you back on the track in another car. Here he is with his second win driving for Redline Salvaging, Hansie Lategan in a 68L Camino.
Back on hot rods is James Clever's 100 proof racing team. This time they have Chapman Films behind the wheel, driving the Terminator. Catch your Thursday night Aussie time